Hello and welcome to the Haas Tip of the Day, where we cover the topics that every Haas machinist needs to know. My name is Mark, and today we're going to look at a few tricks that make writing and editing programs at the control a lot easier and faster. Now, I've just written a program that mills a 4-inch square block with some corner radius. Now, by using some creative shorthand, we used 30% fewer keystrokes than if we entered the G code exactly as it appears on our screen. Let's show you how we did it. Here's just one line of code from my program. This is what I entered on the input line. This is what showed up on my screen. The control automatically adds the spaces for us in between our codes, so there's no reason to add them onto the input line. That saves us keystrokes. When I entered G54, it put G54, it added the space for us. G, G0, G90, G90, control add the spaces. Here, I entered X minus 3, and the control added the decimal point for us. Well, right here, we cheated a little bit, and I'm going to show you how to cheat as well. We turned on setting 162 default to float. This adds decimal points to our code as we enter it when appropriate. In my program, I entered F100, and it shows up on my screen as F100 decimal point. I also entered S8000, and it left it alone. It inputted as S8000 because the control is smart enough to know that S codes don't require decimal points. Well, I hope that we're able to save you some time. Now, we took this example code down from 21 keystrokes to 13. Big time saving, just by using some shorthand and our setting 162. So go check your setting, practice your shorthand, and thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.